last time we talked a little bit about the definition of glamping. And, as we discussed, it's kind of interesting to really think about that as we pursue our business in this market, in this industry. So I named off several things: access to nature, comfortable accommodations, creative structures, sustainable practices, and engaging experiences. So today I'd like to talk a little bit about the access to nature. Now, in your business, if you have a glamping business and you're trying to give your customers or clients an unforgettable experience, many times it has to do with coming back to nature, being in nature. I've been so fortunate to grow up in a rural community in Kansas where I was able to experience the outdoors all my life: hunting, fishing, camping, hiking, you name it, horseback riding. When I was a kid, we had horseback, we had horses, we even had a covered wagon that my buddy Bob, who was my neighbor, and my little sister Sherry loaded up in the covered wagon that my dad made, and we headed for the county fair about 20 miles away. We camped about halfway and then went on in the morning to go to the county fair, where they had the shodeos and the rodeo and all the contests on who grew the best soybeans and who grew the most tomatoes, the best tomatoes, who made the best pies. I mean, the whole deal. So I was really, really fortunate to be in the outdoors and enjoy that through my life, and it carried on into my life and still does. Many people didn't have that opportunity, and even though some do and some don't, we all enjoy that opportunity. So getting back to nature, being out in nature, and today with the situation that we're in, it's just amazing and fantastic that people are discovering the outdoors and nature. So in our parks, whether they're RV parks, glamping parks, resort, whatever, possibly, and in most cases, a piece of that is getting back to nature, letting people expose themselves and enjoy nature. So in your business, I think that is probably always a piece of developing your business and your offering to your folks that come in to enjoy nature. What a better way to spend a weekend or a few days than being out in nature. So I would put some effort into thinking about that and making sure, and as most of you already do and have, but that element of glamping is so important, probably maybe at the top of the list. But next time we'll talk about another part of glamping. We'll talk about comfortable accommodations. So until then, see you later. Bye.